worthy. Rain still, stone can't hurt me. Been ballin'. And that nigga pussy knew a nigga from New York. And he was a sissy. Bitch, I'm.
What's up, YouTube? It's the Car Boys back here with another legendary video, man. You know, I'm dropping a video for you guys today. I haven't dropped. Shit, I told you I was gonna be dropping, but I haven't dropped in I haven't been like too consistent with it. But you know, I'm still dropping. You feel what I'm saying? But getting another car in today. Yeah, we're gonna be rebuilding this car. But before we get into that, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications, be notified every time I upload a new video. Cause man, we dropping these bangers, man. I'm telling you, this week, next week, and the week after is gonna be some uploads coming out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to see all the uploads coming out. And yeah, man, I'm just in the little tarp garage right now. I'm about to clean it up because the car is gonna be here in a couple hours. So you know, I gotta clean everything up because the ground's dirty. Got a pile on the floor right there. Everything back there is dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, get ready for the car to get in the garage. And when it gets here, when it gets here on the truck, I'm gonna show you guys it coming off the truck, and yeah, pulling it into the shop and basically starting to tear it down today. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get into that. Let's go ahead and get into the truck, pulling up, let's get it. 2016 Dodge Charger. As you guys can see, the damage is in front end and on the driver's side. You can see it's gonna need a new fender. It's gonna need a new windshield, as you can see right there. It pushed everything up top, back, so it's gonna need a new headlight on the driver's side, crash bar, and radiator support on top. So all this shit is really getting ordered right now, so it's gonna be fixed in no time. This is this side, not too bad. Just this shit right here. Take y'all to the back. That's why we love these body chargers right here, for that back end. Well, and that front end too, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. Here's what the back looking like. Clean as hell. But I gotta show y'all something in the front though. 98K. This is the front though. As you guys can see, I'm gonna have to change 3 airbags, driver knee airbag, driver steering wheel airbag, and passenger dash bag. But we probably not gonna end up taking this dash out, so we're gonna just put a dash cover on top. We ain't got time to be doing all that goddamn. We just gonna put a new bag in there and put a dash cover on top, take that motherfucker up, that's it. You feel what I'm saying? And yeah, man, there she is. The 2016 motherfucker. About to goddamn bust this bitch right now and get started on rebuilding this mug. So make sure your post notifications turned on. Make sure you subscribe. Be notified every time I upload a new video, because the rebuild process is coming soon. So just keep them post notifications on, because y'all don't want to miss the rebuild on this motherfucker, man. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be looking like a whole completely different charger, no cap. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all know what it is. The Car Boys is out. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.